Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In previous day, we have done the fourth challenge of Java HackerRank successfully. Now we will do the fifth challenge, that is Java output formatting. Okay, so for formatting, Java's system.out.printf function can be used to print formatted output. The purpose of this exercise is to test your understanding of formatting output using printf. Okay, so come into our input format. Every line of input will contain a string followed by an integer. Each string will have a maximum of 10 alphabetic character and each integer will be in the inclusive range from 0 to 999. Okay, means maximum 3 characters. And come into the output part. In each line of output, there should be two columns. The first column contains the string and is left justified using exactly 15 characters. The second column contains the integer expressed in exactly 3 digits. If the original input has less than 3 digits, you must pad your output leading digits with zeros. Okay, so here like that it is 65 two digits, so padding with 0 065. Okay, like this. So coming to the workspace, we have the scanner class sc. Okay, now we have inputted two things. That the first one is the string, the variable is s1, and the second one is integer, the variable is x. Okay, now we have to complete the code. We already know that uh, uh, for printf, what we do: for string, percent %s is used; for integer, percent %d is used; and for float, percent %f is used. So first of all, just print the string and the integer. System dot out printf. Now for the string values, that is percent %s, and for the integer values, percent %d. Okay, and now the variables s1 and x. Okay, so now run the code. Okay, now see, we will get error as we not formatted our code. So we have to format this. As we have to align the string, by default the string is right aligned. Okay, to make it left aligned, we will use the minus symbol. So we have to keep the minus 15 as check the explanation. Each string is left justified with trailing white spaces through the first 15 characters. Okay, so keep the minus 15 here for doing it the left aligned. Minus 15. Okay, and uh, for integer, that is that is exactly 3 digits. Okay, so put here the 3 as integer, 3 characters. So just put 3, and if it is not 3, then do pad with 1 0. So put 1 0. Okay, now run the code. Now again, you can see some error. Okay, we have not used the new line. It is in tabular format. Okay, our output is in tabular format, but expected output is in column format. So make a line, keep a line. Okay, run the code. Now all sample test cases passed. Okay, so our code is ready to submit. So submit your code. Okay, done. Now 10 points will be added in the points section. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and do like, subscribe and share as much as possible. Thank you.